Hey guys, 𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸 here. So I'm so excited because I am doing a 30-day Snatch Your Life challenge, okay? So what is that? That is to help designed to help you get your life together in small little incremental daily action steps to really snatch your life together, your finances, your health, your wellness, your mind, your spirit, your business, your finances, everything. So today's challenge was about helping you begin the process of snatching your finances together. And how would you do that? So what I encourage people to do today on my Facebook Live, so if you're not on my Facebook page, follow me at facebook.com/𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸, okay, all one word, 𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸, my Facebook link will be below in the comment section. But anyways, today's challenge was about getting your finances together. And one of the things that you could do is download an app called Credit Sesame, okay, which will help you get your finances together and begin to understand where you stand in terms of where your credit is and where you need to go. And it will give you tips on how to improve your credit. So the first step is go ahead and get that free app. It costs you nothing to do that. And like I said, it's not, the same as sitting down with a credit repair agent or sitting down with a professional, but it can walk you through step by step, okay, and give you some starter. Everybody has to start somewhere. So that's the purpose of this 30-day challenge, is starting somewhere and starting to improve your life. And we're going to start with finances. So get that app. I want you to let me know how it's going. How are you doing with snatching your life as I go along in this 30-day challenge? So go ahead and get it. Comment below and let me know how you will be enjoying the challenge or when you download that app. All right. So like, comment, and subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. And here's to your success. Bye, guys.